Good morning to one and all. So, this is about the course machine learning. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about introduction to machine learning. This is Professor Brainewave, CSE Department, SITAMS, Chittoor. I welcome you all on today's lecture. The difference between traditional programming and machine learning program. So many people doesn't know what is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning program. In the traditional program, we are going to give some input, and for that we are going to get an output. For example, if I want to solve the task multiplication of two matrices, for that I must develop a program. For that program, I should give two matrices as input. Then the program will give an output which is the multiplication of the two matrices. This is happening in traditional programming. Whereas in machine learning program, we give input as well as output what we are expecting, both as input to the machine learning. The machine learning will give output, that is a model or model of the program. That is, if I want to perform a matrix multiplication task using a machine learning, then you must give two matrices as input as well as the output of multiplication of the two matrices, both as input to machine learning. Then the machine learning will give a model. For that, it will give a model as output. This is the main difference between traditional programming and machine learning program. Once the model we get it from machine learning, by using that model we can able to predict the output for any new input. So now you give me any two matrices as input to the model will give the output, that is the multiplication of the two matrices. So in the case of machine learning, we are going to find a model which is something similar to the program which we develop in the case of traditional programming. So we get the program as output in the case of model, but we are not calling that as a program. We call that is a model or a representative model. I think now it is clear to all what is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning concepts. Thank you, one and all.